What up, world? Welcome to episode 13 of Trash to Track. If this is your first time here, I'm BK. This is ZZ. Today, our goals are to complete the radiator hose, hook up some turbo piping. We also need to finish the block-off plates. Yeah, I don't know. This building cars thing is new to me. Let me know if this is gonna work out. Okay, with the radiator hose cut, at least we know we have the top one. I think it's time to start removing the the intercooler again, and we can get these. We 3D printed these washers for the intercooler, so it has some. And we're gonna take off the intake plenum again, but then we're gonna put it back on. I'm hoping these act as kind of like a bushing. The reason we took it off again is we want to mount the throttle body with some gasket sealer, and the bolts are really crusty, and so is it in here. I wanted to get that cleaned up. I'm pretty sure also that this whole piece can get removed, and then if so, we can finish the block off plate here. Just some vinegar. Oh wow, I'm stupid. I left this in there. It's just soaked up all that vinegar. I don't know if you're supposed to use vinegar to clean metal. If you know, let me know. I'm a learn as you go person, as you know already. Brandon, just shut up. Just be quiet. You guys want to get dinner later? Nice. My first stud removal. Alright, these look a little bit better. Let's try to get some of this dirt out and then get the intake back on. This is what they look like now. Okay, we're 120. I think now what we'll do is spend some time working on this bend here. So if we can unbend this, then we'll be able to mount to the radiator a bit better. Okay, I'm having a hard time showing you this on camera, but now you can see down here, this piece, we have a little nub, and it should rest in this canal, which it looks like it is. But you can tell on this side, we're nowhere near seems like that's the best we're gonna get. Got a real big mess up here. So we're far off what we'll do, I guess, is just get a flat piece of aluminum. Here, this is gonna give us the extra meat we need to get this intercooler mounted. All right, because we need to get some nuts for this, let's work on the oil filter. Okay, so this is what we are working with. We need quite a few things in order to really get it to the track, but I'm hoping by tomorrow we're able to at least see if it can run. And if you want to see me and ZZ at the track, definitely subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.